Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm to finance a purchase. Now let's get straight into the video. At checkout, what you want to do is to select Affirm as your payment option, and then you want to choose your loan term. It could be 3, 6 or 12 months, and you just want to enter your personal financial information to apply for an Affirm loan. Now for application and approval, you are going to receive an instant loan decision after submitting your application, and all you got to do is to review and accept the loan terms, which includes of course the interest rates and the repayment schedule. Now to complete the purchase, all you have to do is once you've got your loan approved using Affirm financing, now you want to receive a notification of you will receive a notification of your purchase. So and of course your loan details. So that includes the amounts you've paid for whatever items you've purchased and whatever is left, as well as how long you're gonna pay that money for, as well as the interest rates and all that. Now for repayment of loans, the first, you got to make monthly payments to Affirm according to your loan schedule. You could also set up automatic payments to ensure timely payments. But regardless, you are going to receive payment reminders and notifications from Affirm. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.